Every now and then, literature students need to write a book review. Well, the aim is to present the reader's thoughts regarding book and author's writing clearly to the avid readers. Writing a book review is a step-by-step process. Following these points, one by one, will land you to a killer book review. Let us highlight each of these elements in the upcoming slides. These are some key things to remember while giving an overview of the book. These are some points that will help you to represent your liking towards the book. These are some points that will help you decide what you didn't like about the book. These are some points you can include in this step. These points will help you to assign marks to the book. In the next slide, you will find amazing examples of a book review to understand it much better. Go through these 2 amazingly written book reviews by the experts of Instant Assignment Help for a better understanding. Here is the template used for writing a book review. These tips will help you to draft an amazingly perfect book review.